Imagine you're lighting your stove on a chilly morning. You twist the knob, you hear a faint hiss, and then a flame dances to life. But have you ever wondered what controls that gas flow so precisely, so safely, and so silently in the background? That unsung hero is the gas pressure regulator, a small device with a big responsibility. Today, we'll uncover the fascinating mechanism inside this little powerhouse. Think of a pressure regulator as a smart gatekeeper. It takes gas from a high pressure source, like a tank or a main pipeline, and tames it. It calms it down to a gentle, usable flow. Whether it's propane, natural gas, or LPG, this device ensures your appliance gets just the right amount of pressure, no matter how wild things are upstream. And it's not just about convenience, it's about safety. If pressure spikes suddenly, the regulator steps in like a security guard. It blocks excess gas from reaching your stove or your heater. Let's follow the journey of the gas. It begins at the inlet port. This is the entry point where high pressure gas surges into the regulator. From there, it travels through the internal mechanism and finally exits through the outlet port, now calm and controlled, ready to fuel your appliances safely. Simple? Yes. But the magic happens inside. Now, take a closer look at the vent. It's small and often overlooked, but it plays two crucial roles. It helps regulate downstream pressure, and it provides a way out for excess gas if needed. If the vent gets blocked by dirt or even a tiny insect nest, the system can fail. That's why there's always a screen fitted to keep intruders out. And here's a tip: always install the regulator with the vent facing down. That simple detail keeps rain, snow, and debris from getting in. Now we unscrew the seal cap. And there it is, the adjustment screw. This little screw controls everything. Turn it clockwise, and you'll increase the outlet pressure. Turn it counterclockwise, and you'll reduce it. But how does such a tiny screw manage such an important job? Let's go deeper. The real brain of the operation lies within. At the center is the diaphragm, a flexible membrane that reacts instantly to pressure changes. Attached to it is a lever with a rubber valve disc. This disc opens and closes the gas path. Hovering above is the main spring. When you turn the adjustment screw, you compress or release that spring. The tighter the spring, the more pressure it allows through. And then there's the backup, the relief valve. If pressure rises too high, this valve opens and vents gas safely outside. A living system, how it all works. Gas enters the regulator. It pushes upward on the diaphragm, compressing the spring and moving the valve disc toward the orifice, slowing the gas flow. But as your stove uses gas, the pressure under the diaphragm drops. The spring takes over, pushing the diaphragm back down, opening the valve, and letting more gas in. It's a constant balancing act. Spring versus pressure, happening in real time. And if pressure builds too much, the diaphragm lifts higher, triggers the relief valve, and the excess gas vents quietly and safely. So next time you cook, heat your home, or fire up the grill, remember the silent engineer behind the scenes, the gas pressure regulator. Small but smart. Simple but precise. Always working to keep things steady, safe, and just right. If you found this breakdown helpful, Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple engineering stories.